Hi everyone, good afternoon. I am MD Shamrat Miah, and one more time, welcome back to my channel, Our Technical School. So today's my lessons is based on change directories techniques. I will show you today with a few ways to how to change the directories. How can we go up and how can we call reverse? How can we change directories from child to parent or parent to child? So we will see that through this video. So this is a very common, basic, and very simple training. It is going to be because the most of this person who is using this Kali Linux, they are know how to do those things, but those person who are who are want to be learn this Kali Linux, they should be know about this. So for them I am just making this video. Okay, so the first of all I want to show you everyone, this is my desktop screen, the graphical user interface um, in Kali Linux. So here is our home. This is home. This is file system. This is trash. Only the three folders I have in here. So if I am clicking on here home, so it will have to be throw inside like this way. Just need to be wait a few seconds. Just to wait. Yes. So after I click enter, so after home, inside this home, it's mentioned on Kali, and inside that Kali I am now seeing few folders and few files, text files, and one of them is a log.log file. So there is a few folder like as the desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos, and few files. So how can we call them through a command line? It's a very important to know, and I feel like that. So for these things, I have to click on our command mode. Need to be open that, and you see in my videos that the fonts are very small. So Control Shift, I need to be press on pluses. Yeah, that is a pretty good. Looking pretty good looks than before. So you know that at this moment, so what I am going to see the Kali, this is my username Kali, and here is the symbol. So when you are seeing that symbol, okay, this is not a straight line. Okay, this is a kind of a curved line. So when you see that, so that means that you are now inside Kali folder. Okay, because if I'm showing you with graphically mode that I am inside I'm inside the Kali folder, and inside this Kali folder I have a few sub programs, few sub functions, folders, and three files. So that's why in my command line it is showing me that I am as a user, I'm inside now Kali, and the Kali is mentioned by this curve line. Okay, so if I'm writing in here cd, so where's the cd is mentioned at this time? The cd means change directories. So after the cd, if I write in here, need to be make a space, then two dot. The two dot means change directories are going to are taking me to the immediate back folder. So that's mean that I will not belongs in this Kali. After that I will belongs one step down from Kali folder, not up. I will go to the one step back from Kali. So I have to be press now one slash. So this slash means that it will help me to go back down, not back up. Okay, so if I write in here, if I'm keeping in here and just 2, 3, 4, 5 slashes, the multiple slashes will work like as a one slash. So it doesn't matter that how many slashes I am going now, I'm keeping now at this moment. So it's okay, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So now my immediate one step back folder name is home. So from curly to home, if I am writing in here again cd space two time dots dot, and if I'm not using any slashes at this moment or using a slash, single slash or double slash, it doesn't matter that I'm using slashes or not, it will work by default. If I'm writing in here cd space dot, so it will do work like as before. Okay, so from this time we are learning now that if you are using change directories space then dot, it makes you back to one step down, not one step up. Okay, so if you want to go one step up, how can you do that? That's mean that at this moment you are not in here where you are now. So you are now, so if I'm trying to show you at this moment where are you, so you are now, sorry, I have to go in computer, not in computer actually, we are now in here, we are now in here. So one step down after home, that's mean we are in here. But if I want to go inside home, how can I do that? So I can do that because when I am one step up from home, it will take me automatically curly. You see, here is the curly. Curly is denoted now with selection. And after this curly, we are able to see those folders. And inside this home, if I select desktop, there is nothing. Inside home, if I select documents, here is just one folder. Okay, one file. So the Kali is the single folder, whereas the few folders by default. So we'll talk about those things now. So so now we are in desktop. If I go into one step up, that's my home. So how can we do that? We have to be right in here. No more cd change directories dot slash, then need to be use home. Now we are one step up. So it's mean that we are inside now home. Actually, are we inside in the home folder? Yes, we are inside the home folder. But inside the home folder, what we will get after one step up from home? So by the graphically user interface, I'm showing you again. Okay, so if I am try to enter this home from graphically, so my system goes to automatically inside the Kali, automatically inside the Kali. So at this moment, if I'm trying here with ls, so this ls means list, what is inside or which folders are included inside the home. So those folders will become out now as a list, only the curly. Actually, if I am going one, if I'm clicking after home, then we will go automatically inside Kali. So how can I go? How can I select Kali now? Dot slash, and I have to be writing here Kali. And when I will do that, so it's mentioning you that, so I'm now inside home, and when I'm writing in here dot slash Kali, so that's mean that I am trying to go inside Kali. And when I am inside this Kali, so it will show me this non-straight line inside this third bracket. Okay. Now, what I will show, if I am trying to inside Kali, what I will see. So I have to write this list command, and if I enter this in this Kali, I will get desktop, downloads, pictures, and one text file which mentioned by result.txt, templates, then one log file, documents folder, music folder, public folder, and result underscore txt file and videos. Actually, by using this ls command, I mean which one mentioned for list, we'll get all folders. So where I am inside now. So inside this Kali, actually I have those folders: documents, desktops, templates. Actually, and this is the same like is this graphical user mode. This is the same in my command mode. Okay, those things I am getting, and if I'm trying to go inside these downloads, how can I do that? So I have to be writing here dot, need to be mentioned here slash, then downloads, 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 and enter. I am in downloads, but here is nothing. Here is nothing. If I want to go one step back, how can I do that? Change directories, dot slash, or not slash, one slash, two slash, or three times slash, both are same. So I am now Kali inside, one step back, that's mean good, need to go home. I'm in home. I have to go one step up, that's mean Kali again. So need to be writing here Kali, one step back, that's mean again home. So cd dot no slash or need to slash as you wish, home, one step again more, that means cd dot and one step. If I try to be go again, nothing after that. So like this way we can do that. And one thing I want to show you that, so now if you what you can I can do that if I want to go. So now I am not inside that home. If I want to go directly documents, how can I go that? How can I do that? Because we know that the document is inside. After we'll get documents in from Kali. Yeah, because we know that the documents, desktops, and few files are included inside uh, Kali folder. So how can I go inside documents or pictures or music in a just one commands, even I'm not in home or Kali? How can I do that? So I can do that easily with a one statement in command line, like this way. Need to be writing here find $home, then type the name and music. Just a second, please. Okay. Again, we are trying to do this. So at first, I'm just trying to resize my font. Then cd, cd. If we're writing here, find, then okay, it is not working like this way. So what will happen if I'm trying to do with another way? Just a second. Okay, so need to go. Uh, Here is Kali. If I'm writing in here, find, then $ home. Sorry, $home, then type D and name, and now music. Yeah, I can get music. This is the another way. But from here, what I did in before and now, that before I did a mistake, so that's why it was not coming. Actual things what I expect after my statement, that was that if I'm writing this statement to find out my folder, so I can write in here like this way, that $find, $home, and then type D, it's the kind of a document, then name music. So with this statement I can also find out that folder, but I have to be rich. Before I did that, I have to be rich Kali. Okay, before I try this statement for reach out any folders, I have to be included the parents folder. Okay, because the before time when I wasn't inside the Kali, so when the Kali was as a parent parent of music or parent of documents. So before I included inside the Kali, I can't use this instrument to reach out the child folders. Okay, so if I want to do access a child folder, so I have to reach its own parents folder. So after that I can only use this statement. So like this way we can change the directories or find out or get access to our folders. I think this video is enough for today's, and after these next videos will more delightfully mention with some very important things, other important things I will try to mention. I will try to teach. I will try to describe some more attractive and excited topics on Kali Linux. And until that video, I hope that everyone you will who is who is watching these videos, please do subscribe and comments, likes, and makes me and to encourage me to make more videos like this way. Thank you, everyone.